Push?
You want me to push you? I don't think I can push the tractor. Can you make it go? Can you grab the steering wheel and vroom it? What are you on? Hey, Brendan, what are you on? What is that? You like the tractor?
Yeah.
Is the tractor one of your favorite things? Yeah. What's the tractor do? Really? You want to go swing? I don't know what you're saying. Seat? You are on the seat. Tractor, that's right. Can you wave? Wave at Mommy.